brothers and sisters of this small planet. Now we are in 21st century. In spite of a lot of development with help of technology, science, however, we also create more human-made problems. This, logically, we human beings have the responsibility to reduce and finally eliminate these problems. Our world is the only sort of our home. If this planet is it due to global warming or some other sort of the environmental sort of problems, it cannot sort of live. But then there's no other planet where we may move or shift. In this respect, I always is telling Tibet, usually it's people call roof of the world. Some Chinese environmentalists, you see, they describe Tibetan plateau as third pole because the effect, the global warming from Tibetan plateau is as much as South Pole and North Pole. So these are not political statements, but the expression of expert, scientist. So therefore, this something not only concern for Tibetan people, but this is concern for, I think, over billion human life. These are ultimately survival of humanity, or question of healthy world, healthy planet. So now the generation of 21st century, the young brothers, sisters, you should take more active role protection of this planet and including Tibetan environment. That I want to share with you. Thank you.